Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a tutorial that's going to turn your Samsung Smart TV into a music hub. Ready to learn how to install Spotify on your TV? Let's get started. Before we jump into the installation process, let's talk about how Spotify can elevate your music experience on your Samsung Smart TV. Imagine having access to millions of songs, curated playlists, and your favorite artists, all right on your big screen. Get ready to set the mood. All right, let's make the magic happen. I'll walk you through each step of installing Spotify on your Samsung Smart TV. Trust me, it's a breeze. Step 1. Power up your Samsung Smart TV and ensure it's connected to the internet. A solid connection ensures smooth streaming of your favorite tunes. Step 2. Using your remote, find and open the App Store or Smart Hub on your TV. This is where the musical magic comes to life. Step 3. Look for the Spotify app using the search function. Once you find it, just click Install. The app will start downloading right away. Congratulations! You've just added Spotify to your Samsung Smart TV. There you have it. Your Samsung Smart TV is now your musical haven with Spotify. Get ready to enjoy endless melodies. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support keeps us going. Thanks for joining us. Enjoy your Spotify journey, and until next time, happy listening. Stay connected with us by hitting that subscribe button and following us on social media. More exciting content is on the way. Please note that app availability may vary based on your region and TV model. Be sure to check your Samsung Smart TV's compatibility before installation.